Hey guys, it's your girl Clara and welcome back to my channel. So we have a new video for today, and this video is we are going to review the Honey Beauty High Power Sunscreen Foundation. So this is SPF 50. So ito yung trending, affordable na viral TikTok na foundation, na viral foundation from Honey Beauty. So sunscreen and foundation, na intriga ko dito, may SPF 50 all in one. So, kung gusto nyo panood tong video na ito, just keep on watching. So, nakita ko lang to sa TikTok. Nabudo na naman ako ni TikTok sa product na ito. Kasi, naghahanap ako ng base product. I'm out of base products already. So, I need a foundation foundation. Kasi mga foundations, 500, 600 sa ngayon. Tapos, affordable lang yung kaya na ng budget ko. So, si Honey Beauty, naglabas sila ng kanilang foundation. Actually, meron rin silang concealer. Foundation nila. So, this is the High Power Sunscreen Foundation. Ito yung may SPF 50. So, naintriga ako dito. Ito yung nagtitrending sa TikTok. Promise, ito yung nagtitrending sa TikTok. So, let's see ano yung shade. Okay. One shade range lang siya. So, let's try one portion of my face. Totoo ba yun? Titingnan natin kung totoo yung sinasabi nila na nakaka-cover talaga itong foundation na ito, kung maganda yung lapat nito sa Okay. Okay. One swipe. Guys, isang tapping motion. Niya, nako-cover na siya ng pore. Nakakatakip na siya. So, totoo yung claims nila na, let's try the whole face. Kung yung consistency nito as a base product matatakpan. So, I use a brush already, foundation brush. So, okay. Guys, it covers everything with this one. Guys, at saka suggestion ko lang, my suggestion with this one is mag-expand sila ng shade range nito. Kasi look at this foundation. Oh my God, nakakatakip siya ng everything. It covers everything on my face. Brush pa lang to pero ganito yung consistency while blending. Guys, kung mamukha na ako white lady char, lalagyan natin yan ng makeup later on. Ayan o, pag-blend siya, covers everything. Ayan, mukha na akong puting-puti na ako dito sa foundation na ito. But, kung ako tatanungin mo, gagamitin ko tong foundation na ito as my personal sa mga susunod na pag gusto ko mag-makeup talaga. So, kahit ganito lang siya, I would definitely use it. So, as you can see, nabibuild up talaga and takip-takip pa yung aking mga pores with this one. So, i-blend natin siya. So, ayan. Nakaka-Meredith Duxbury challenge tayo sa foundation na ito. So, in fairness, foundation and sunscreen, all in one. Final review ko dito sa Honey Beauty na ito. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-consider using this one. This product, A+ na sa akin to. I can use this as an overall base product. Tsaka hindi siya mabigat sa aking skin. And it's easy to blend after you use this, after blending it out. It's so easy to blend on my skin. Using your brush and using using a sponge, ang dali niya ma-blend. And in fairness, pero ang problem ko lang dito, maganda yung coverage niya. Maganda high coverage. It covers everything. Ang suggestion ko lang is mag-expand sila ng shade range. With this formula, it's kind of affordable with this. So, it's 199 pesos and not bad for 199 pesos. Sulit na siya. Hindi mo na kailangan gumastos ng above 500 or mga 500 sa isang foundation. This foundation, you should try it. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you like this video. Just don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. God bless and bye bye. See you in my next video.